Hi, I'm Bill Myers, and this is another one of my video tips of the week. In this week's video tip, I'm going to show you a free program that you can use to convert almost any type of video file into a DVD that can be played on the DVD player. This means you can take videos from your GoPro or your dash cam or your handheld camcorders or your phone, and if you need to, put those on DVD and send those out to customers or clients or friends or family. It's really useful to have a program like this, and the one I'm going to show you is free. Now the program is called DVD Styler, and you can get it at dvdstyler.org. And when you get there, the screen looks like this. It tells you all about it under features. It tells you can create and burn DVD videos with interactive menus. You can design your own menus. You can have photos, slideshows. You can have multiple subtitles and audio tracks. It supports AVI, MOV, MP4, MPEG, and most other file formats. Most importantly, it's easy to use and it does the entire job for you. Now to get it, all you do is click Download Now. And if you're running an older version of Windows, download the 32-bit version. If you're running Windows 7, 8, or 10, download the 64-bit. If you're running Mac, you can download the Mac version. If you're running Linux, you can download the Linux version. And once you have it installed, it looks like this. First thing you see is it says Create New Project. You can have a DVD label. I'm going to call this one Key West. This is the disk capacity. This is the type of disk you're going to use. In most cases, this is going to be a single-sided DVD, so you use the DVD-5. The bit rate is going to be auto, which means it determines the bit rate based on how much video you put on the DVD. The audio bit rate is standard at 192. The default title post command, what this means is when one of the videos on your DVD completes, what should happen? The default is to go back to the last menu, or you can go to automatically to play the next title. This is important here under video format. If you're in Europe, you might want to use PAL. In the US, you want it to be NTSC. You want the aspect ratio. If it's old home movies, it's probably 4.3, but if it's newer stuff, it's probably 16.9, and the audio format can be whatever you want. Now, if you've already created a project, you can open the existing project. If not, you click OK. Next thing you do is you decide what you want your menu to look like. If you want just a menu that looks like that, that's fine, or you can come over here and you have different backgrounds. Notice in the menu you have disk title, and then you have play all and select title. To change the disk title, you just double click it and you type in whatever you want the name of your video to be. You can change the text color, the outline color, the background color. You can even add animations to your title. We're not going to do that. Next thing you do is you click the File Browser button and you pick the files that you want to put on your video. You go through your file list and just drag the files that you want onto the screen. I'm going to put these three on mine. I just drag them down here. And there they are. Now once you drag the files there, you can go over to your video menus. You can click this one that says Menu 2. It shows you what your menus will look like. Now you can go in and change the buttons on your menus. You can add titles to each one of these buttons. But when someone views your videos, there'll be thumbnails of all the clips that you have. And again, you can put as many clips there as you like. To change your buttons, you click the button link right here. You can drag buttons onto the screen and you can change the buttons. You can also change the text on any of the buttons. Once you get the things the way that you want, the next step is to burn, and you click the burn button, and you have the option here that you can set the preview, and you can also set the player that you can use to preview the video, and you can just generate the preview instead of actually burning the DVD. Or you can create an ISO image, which is an image that can be burned to the DVD, or you can actually burn the DVD. And if you want to burn the DVD, all you do is click Start, and it'll do the conversion for you. In most cases, I recommend that you just do the just generate the first time so that you can view the preview to make sure the menus and things look like you want. And then after you do that, click Cancel. And it's something I probably should have shown earlier. As soon as you have your project built, choose Save or Save As to save your project, so if you run into a problem while you're burning, you don't lose all your work. Anyway, this is a free program. It's called DVD Styler, and you find it at dvdstyler.org. The program is free, but if you like it, they have a PayPal donation button, and I recommend you donate if you do like the program. Thought you might be interested in knowing about this. I'm Bill Myers. This has been another one of my video tips of the week. You can find more like this at www.bmyers.com.